Have you ever traveled abroad and exchanged your local currency for another? Maybe you turn US dollars into euros or British pounds into Japanese yen. That's symbol exchange. That's part of a much larger system called Forex, short for foreign exchange. But Forex isn't just about travel money. It's actually the largest financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion traded every single day. That's more than the stock market, the crypto market, and commodities combined. So, what exactly is Forex? Forex is the global marketplace for trading currencies. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and unlike stock exchanges, it doesn't have a physical location. Instead, it's a decentralized network that run electronically through banks, institutions, brokers, and traders across the globe. This is known as the over-the-counter market. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs, like euro, US dollar, which means you're buying euros and selling US dollars, or US dollar, JPY, where you're buying US dollars and selling Japanese yen. When you trade Forex, you're predicting on whether one currency will go up or down in value compared to another. Let's say you think the euro will rise in value against the US dollar. You buy the euro-US dollar pair. If the euro strengthens, you profit. If it weakens, you lose. It's all about predicting how currency values will move and making trades based on that movement. But who's actually trading in the Forex market? A lot of players, including central banks, commercial banks, corporations, investment funds, and millions of retail traders like you and me, whether it's to manage international payments, hedge risks, or simply try to make a profit, they all participate in this enormous marketplace. One of the key features of Forex is its liquidity, which means you can enter and exit trades very easily, and prices move constantly due to global events, news, and economic data. Because it's open 24 hours, traders from different time zones can access the market anytime, morning, afternoon, or night. In the next episode, we'll explain Forex trading, how beginners like you can get started, and what tools, platforms, and strategies are used. Follow KOJOELI FX for clear, simple Forex education in just a few minutes a day.